So my name is Mary Boyd. I am the food service director for Corpus Christi ISD. CCISD has 58 sites, and I've been here with CCISD for 6.5 years. And in the time that I've been here, there has not been a single renovation to any of the service lines. The campuses that we have, some of them are very old. The ones that we renovated in this project were upwards of 30 years since they had any renovations to their service lines. And again, ultimately, this is what the kids deserved. We had some excessive funds that needed to be spent, and we wanted to do that in order to provide something to the children that they deserve. We wanted it to be inviting and warm, and we wanted them to enjoy coming in to eat with us. We did 8 service lines across the district, 1 elementary, 4 high schools, and 3 middle schools. So it was a big undertaking, but at the end of the day, with it being complete, the children love it. They love coming in and seeing what changes were made over the summer. They took care of everything. They took care of the demolition, they took care of the artwork, the install, it was all taken care of. So again, we did not have any issues with mission or the install of the items. Communication's huge for us, and that whole team went out of their way to communicate with us and tell us, like, this one's gonna take a little longer. We're operating summer school, can you continue doing what you're doing instead of depending on the service lines? Just communication. They were upfront, they were honest, and that's by far what is most important to me.